Now here and going to the treetop walk, and this way to treetop walk. Treetop walk is Tuesday to Friday 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday Sunday 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Last entry at 4:45 p.m. Close on Monday. Hi.
At last we're here at the treetop walk.
Yeah.
For almost 2 hours and 15 minutes.
Wow.
Trekking.
Trekking from the starting point.